watch it with like a notepad.
Like whenever I watch it, I always watch the what happened last week part, and I learn more in that than I did watching a full episode.
Yeah, it's one that you need your full attention.
Yeah.
I think it's the best show ever made, though.
It's good.
Like just
yeah, it is good. I like it.
Is like, you can tell it's like a difference between the high budget and low budget.
Didn't he say that we're going somewhere tomorrow? Or when did he say we're going to see the?
Today, I think.
Oh, okay, today. Is that where the?
No, right now.
Oh, is that where we are? Okay.
I mean, it looks like it.
We need to ask him because he said we were going.
Like
Is this the Batman Begins area?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, got it.
No, they were just saying, everybody come up this way. Mariana was just saying it. You look like you're in a. They were like, oh, you're seeing it.
Yeah. Gorgeous.
Crampons off? Like, why would you take them off?
Well, I think he went a different way. I think, or no. I guess maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure.
I'm happy we're wearing these right now. It makes me nervous. This is like the steepest part of the whole thing.
Yeah, I don't know. Because I don't know what other way he would have gone. Because I thought he kind of maybe changed directions or something.
Is photography a big hobby of yours, kind of?
Not really. I mean, I like. It's all for me. It's not really for. It's just to have. I like to look at it at some point. I show it to my daughter and.